So what is the Measure app on the iPhone? Let me explain it, and if you're new here on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get it started. So Measure is part of the iPhone. It's like a built-in app made by Apple, so you don't need to download it from the App Store. It should be part of your phone to begin with. And it is an app which uses the camera on the phone to physically measure things in real life, right? So you're gonna get inside and you get to this like camera mode and you can start measuring. But I screen recorded a little demo for you, right? So if I go to the gallery, you can see that this is what I did. This is what it would look like practically. So I open up the Measure app, and at first you have to move the camera around a specific object so it knows where it starts and where it ends. So this is an iPad, and you essentially click the plus button on one edge, drag it to the end, confirm it again, and you can see, for example, the side of the iPad. So I can see that it's 6.5 inches or 17 centimeters. Or you can continue from that point and drag it towards the other side of the iPad. And again, at the longer side, you can see that it's about 9 inches or 23 centimeters. So this is how you can measure objects in real life using the Measure app. I'm not saying it's like 100% accurate, but for what it is, for the actual camera being able to track the literal objects in front of you, it is pretty reliable. It's not going to be the 100% thing that you should, base your decisions on and so on, but it usually gets the job done good enough. So that's how you can use it, and that's the whole point of the app, to measure things in real life. So that's what I wanted to quickly show you and explain in this video. Let me know your thoughts and opinions about it below, and I'm gonna see you later in the future uploads.